Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a double space in WPS Office. So first we need to open Home tab. It is very important to open this tab because here on toolbar you can find special option. It is very important to select this one option, line and paragraph spacing settings. If you click on this one arrow, you will be able to choose how much space appears between lines of text or between paragraphs. So I click here, and then on default it is set to 1. So if we want to apply double space, we need to change this value to 2. So I click on it, and after that double space will be enabled here. Of course, remember that you can change this value to other values, for example to 3 or more. So for example, I click 3, and then the space between text will be set to triple spaces. So the settings depends on your preferences. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in a comment if it solves your problem.